guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and haven't seen my face before, then my name is Anais, and today I thought I would sit down with you guys and just do some creative makeup. To be honest, I have no idea what kind of look I'm going for, but I thought I would put the camera in front of me and just film and see what creative makeup we can create together. So if you do enjoy this video, please smash a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I post new uploads every Thursday at 6 o'clock, so stay tuned for those. And without further ado, let's get on into the video. So I've just gone ahead and outlined what I want to on my eye, and then I've filled this in with the Wet n Wild Fit to Focus foundation just to make it look like, obviously not the rest of my skin, because this is going to be like the perfected area combined with like the natural beauty kind of thing. So yeah, I've just gone ahead and filled that in. So the next step is brows. So it's what I'm going for is like that Instagram profile thing on the eye. I've seen it before and I really want to do it, so I'm just going to try it now. My eye is stained because a minute ago I did try to do an eye makeup with the Jeffree Star palette and it stained my eye for a second, but that will cover up, that'll be fine. So I'm going to go ahead and use an angled brush and my Freedom brow pomade and carve out my eyebrow. I'm going to use my Morphe 350 palette because this is my favourite palette for like everyday kind of looks. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And I think I'm going to go for like a brownie kind of coppery eye just because I like that kind of style. Obviously there's a lot of neutrals in here. So I am just going to take a this colour here to set my eyes. Okay, and then I am going to take a brownie colour. I think I might start with this one here down at the bottom. Oh, you can't see that. And start with that in my crease. Okay, and then I'm going to take another brownie colour, probably this one here, and do exactly the same with that one, but just run it a little bit further on. Okay, and then to warm everything up, I'm going to take this orange colour and mix that with the brown I originally used and put this more in the centre of my eye and kind of blend that out. Okay, so I'm all happy with the blending on this eye here. I will clean up that edge in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and try and attempt winged liner now. I'm really bad at winged liner, so I'm going to do that off the camera and tidy it up and come back, and I'm also going to pop on a fake eyelash onto this eye so you can see what that looks like also. But yeah, I'm just going to do the eyeliner and the eyelash, which will take the longest, so I'm going to do that off camera and come back, and then you will have that, and I will attempt to do the outline of the Instagram profile. So see you in a second. Okay, so I'm back. I've gone ahead and done the eyeliner, and then I've put some lashes on, and I've done my bottom lower lash line as well and lined it. So now is the Instagram profile bit. So hopefully I will be able to do this. To be fair, like I only need to do like the white bottom bit. So I'm gonna get my white eyeliner and mark out, well, actually, I'm going to get my brow pencil first and mark out the straight line and then the block that I need to colour in. That is the outline, and then I'm going to go ahead and line this with some white and see if I can actually do this. I've done this so far, so I'm just going to have to figure out how to actually draw more of the white on, because I'm not sure how to do that because I haven't got any face paint or anything. So I'm going to take my white eyeliner and see how much I can get on here. If not, then I'm going to have to fill it in with some white eyeshadow. But I mean, I should be fine with this. Actually looking so cool so far. So then I am going to take some white eyeshadow from the Jeffree Star palette and kind of just pat this on top and see if that does anything. It feels really drying, but I kind of want to get it more white. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far, and I'm actually so happy with it. It's looking so good. So instead of just rubbing out these lines, I might actually make it a bit more of an illusion like. So I'm going to take a really thin brush and just draw down here a little bit with some black or brown, just to make it look like it's kind of standing out from my face a little bit more. So I'm going to go into the Morphe 350 palette and then take these ones down here that are dark on the bottom on a little angled liner brush, and then just like follow this line down here. Okay, so I'm really liking how that looks, and now obviously I've got to get the details right on the white bits. That obviously does look like the Instagram page, so I am going to load up my Instagram now. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll pop a thing on the screen now so you can follow me on my Instagram. I have got my other illusion work on there as well if you did want to check it out. So at the top is obviously my name, but there is no way I am ever going to be able to write my name. So I'm just going to edit that on for the final picture, and hopefully you'll be able to see that. But I'm just going to do like the dots here, and then the heart, the comment, the arrow, and then the save down here if I can do that. I think my battery is running out. I'm not sure if it's on charge, so I'm not really sure what's going on. If it cuts out anyway, that's what I'm doing, and I can come back to you. I'm literally so hot and flustered because that took me about 4 million attempts to try and do, and the heart is the best heart I've ever drawn, but the rest of them are kind of not that great, but I've done it so many times and I don't think I can get any better than this. So I've got this so far, so the heart, the little question mark, that thing, the save button, the dot, and you can see many attempts on my hand, but I've finally done it. So this is my finished look. I am going to go ahead and just draw around it once more with some brownie shades on an angle brush, just so it stands out that little bit more. And I am going to add some highlight because I'd almost forgot to add that, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this at the bottom just to kind of give it that extra depth, and here at the top as well. Just draw around the sides, but literally I'm so hot and flustered that took forever. And then I am going to go ahead and take a little brush and just grab a highlighting shade and pop that in my inner corner. I might just put it on with my finger so it picks up the highlight like that, and then I will take a little brush and highlight just there as well. So that is literally the most stressful thing I've ever done. I'm literally so hot, but I'm gonna take down my hair so you can kind of get the full effect of what it actually looks like. My hair is crazy as well.